If you've been a victim of sexual abuse, or you suspect a family member has been a victim of abuse, the first thing you need to do is break the silence and reach out for help. That may be to a trusted friend, to your doctor, a counselor, or a lawyer, or the police. But the most important thing to do is to break the silence and reach out for help so that you can begin your healing journey. Some survivors of sexual abuse are afraid to reach out for help because they think the fact that they are an abuse survivor may become public. What they need to know is, in litigation, the matter can be handled confidentially, and in criminal investigations, the identity of the victim is almost invariably protected. There's two ways that the justice system can help survivors of sexual abuse: through a civil claim for compensation and through criminal charges. And you can do one or both in any order. A civil claim for compensation is about helping the survivor of abuse receive compensation for the harm that they have suffered. The criminal justice process is about punishing the perpetrator for their wrongful acts. The initial case evaluation for sexual abuse survivors is different than the typical case evaluation that we do. I understand that speaking to a stranger about some of the most intimate and painful aspects of their life can be difficult. So we try to collect the information we need before the initial consultation so that they can answer the questions in the privacy of their home. It allows me to get a picture of what they've gone through. So the first interview can be as non-intrusive as possible so that we can get the information we need without causing undue harm to our client. I think one of the reasons why my firm has had success in representing survivors of sexual abuse is because they can see that we understand the long-term consequences of sexual abuse and the impact it can have.